Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 115 of Build the Batmobile from the classic 1966 TV series Batman from our good old mates over at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to grab this and build along with me, this beautiful, beautiful car, pop over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop. And you too can be building along with me. Let's have a quick look through the magazine. TV show there is The Great Escape. Great Batman Comics is The Batman of England. Legends of the Dark Knight there is Light and Shade. Says that he's playing baseball there with his bat. See what I did there? Yeah, I won't do that again. We then got the final parts here of the right-hand side exhaust pipe. So we're going to be fitting that, same as we did with the left-hand side. We'll be popping on the flexi section. Coming along there with the joining pipe into the silencer or muffler if you're stateside. And then we're going to be pushing the bottom cover in place, okay? Nice and simple. And then that's what it's going to look like all the way along there into that muffler. Okay, folks? That's that issue sorted. That's that magazine done. So we'll put that to one side and we'll come back. We'll start a bit of assembly for you. Let's get these open. Like so. Shove that out the way. Find my bag of goodness, which is just the and this has got all the bits in it that I'm putting on Batmobile at the very end, just to protect them all. So that's the exhaust muffler covers gone in. Obviously remotes in there. Me rocket tubes, because when you turn the bodywork upside down, they can catch the aerial antennae, all me wheel hubs and me little balls for the door handle on the doors, so that when you put the bodywork on, it doesn't knock these off. And obviously me remotes. So that's my bag of goodness. They'll all go on at the very end of the build. So we want an AP screw out of here. So let's have you. Bring you out of there. Slap a bit of oil on you. So, move the old knife. And then we want to do the same on the other side. Now, you'll notice as well, I said at the last issue I was going to go around and do all my pipes. See, and I put all the florist's wire in there, neatened them up and sent them along the axle. And then I shall come back and I shall paint these black, these little wires that I've wrapped around to hold them in place, just to neaten it up a bit. Okay. Right. Let's feed the old exhaust pipe down in there. Now I can see that one a bit better than I did the other side. So let's shove you in. Actually, I am going to take that wheel off because it's just a bit easier for me. And it takes a couple of minutes, doesn't it? Although I can see where it's going, it's still enough of an obstacle in the way for me to struggle. So let's just pop you in there. So I know where you are. Screwy McScrewkins. Then we can see in there, because I need the light to reflect so that I can see what I'm doing. Try not to twitch cold. Like so. Here's where you're going. We can then bring you in and start feeding you end of that. And then start pressing the pipe in, just like so. And that is now in, so we can pop the wheel back on. Back that up a tad. And I want the wheel to move, but just to bind. It just makes it better for me when I'm moving it around, and I don't want it rolling around on my display shelf if I can help it. Right. Grab this other screw. Just like that. Shove a bit of oil in you. And then we can bring that down and fire this screw just in this end. Just like so. And then, as you know, you've got the lower cover to go on this. But this will all be coming off when I put the body shell on, so I don't see the point in doing it twice or damaging this lower half, so I'm only going to close it off the once. So that is that issue sorted, folks. Nice and simple. Pretty straightforward, just popping the pipes in. And I just think that that's beginning to take shape now, so I'm happy with that. So don't forget, if you'd like to grab one of these yourself, one of these beautiful Batmobiles, pop over to the Fanhome website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop. And you too can have one of these on your bench. Also, to help me out and to keep the channel alive, if you can remember to like, hype and subscribe, I'd be immensely grateful. Keeps it all rosy for me, and yeah, makes my day. Thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Until then, stay safe and well. Goodbye for now.